Hello lovelies, and welcome back. Put a roll of toilet paper in your fridge and what happens next will definitely shock you, and you will never want to remove it from your fridge ever again. Mark my words. In fact, you will want to share this trick with your friends, families and colleagues. So without wasting your time, let's get right into the video. Now, you obviously need a toilet paper, and what you want to do next is get yourself a bowl like this. And as always, this helpful trick will cost you little to nothing, as you already have these things in your home. So like I said, get yourself a bowl like this, and then you have your tissue, your toilet paper, and then you just want to add a little bit of water into this bowl. And as for the amount of water that you will need, just put enough, okay, not too much, just enough like this that I'm showing you right now. And then what you want to do next is add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now if you've watched this video up until this point, up until this moment, what you want to do for me now is to just click on that like button so that this content could get to more people. Now I'm just adding the 2nd tablespoon of the baking soda, and I just want to give it a very good mix thoroughly so it doesn't have any lumps. Okay, so also if you found this content really helpful, please be sure to share with your friends, family or colleagues, as the case may be. Now you want to get your tissue and then add this mixture of baking soda to the 2 ends of your toilet paper. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. You just put it on the top part of the toilet paper. Make sure you add a generous amount. Now you might be wondering what this does. The essence of this is that it neutralizes the smell in your fridge and prevents your drinks, such as your water or juices and whatnot, from getting contaminated with the smell in your fridge. Now this is the point where you want to watch this video up until the end, because I'm going to be showing you a live example pretty soon. Okay, so now as you already noticed, I've already flipped the toilet paper on the other side, and then I'm just applying it generously like I did on the first part. I'm applying it generously on the second part also. Now you can see I've successfully applied it on both, and now you want to head back to your fridge or freezer, as the case may be, and just put it inside your fridge. Now like I said, I was going to show you a live example. Now you can see my water in the fridge, and you can also see a loaf of bread. Up on the first layer I have some raw meat and raw fish. Now when you put the toilet paper that you already soaked with baking soda in your fridge, your fridge will smell so fresh. The smell of raw fish, raw meat will not ooze from your fridge. And oftentimes when I pick up water to drink from the fridge, it always has this taste of raw fish. With this trick you won't experience this. I'm sure you experience this also, but then with this trick you won't experience any of such. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching till this point. I'm sure you got value for every second you spent on this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.